Sorry guys, had a little malfunction with some ads here. This stupid phone. This is part 2 of the 292 unit rock train. Is he stopping? It's 6:21 right now. I'm not that known of travel schedule, but I think there's a train crossing Irish right now, which is why he's like this. There he goes. Woo! There he goes. What happened to that? Ooh, that's not pretty. Oh, did a little touch to it. I love how FEC really maintains their cars. This railroad should be a class 1, but fortunately it's a 2. There's a EOT over there. Car was rocking. There's the end. Oh, look. Some sand. That's not rocks, people. That's sand. There he goes. Okay guys, this is MP366 Rail Fan here in Hialeah, 6th Ave and 21st Street. You guys have a good evening. Bye bye.